one of the neat things that I think people may not get a grasp on is that sharks have been in our oceans for over 350 million years. And for as long as I can remember being a student and then a scientist with a keen eye to sharks, is that up until just a couple of years ago, you could say that there were 350 to 400 different kinds of sharks in our world's ocean. In the last couple of years, that number has exploded to 512. It's amazing that the oceans are so vast that there are still species of animals, sharks in particular, that we still don't even know exist. So just like wolves on the prairie, lions on the Serengeti, sharks take advantage of their top predator status in making sure that the oceans stay healthy. So the Shark Safe program is a new conservation program established through the Association of Zoos and Aquariums. Any member within the association can be a part of the program, and there are programs for multiple different species. Most likely our efforts will be focused on learning more about animals in human care, but also there's some possibilities for us to work with local conservation organizations and NGOs in learning more about our species right off our coastline.